Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of search engines and exploring a newcomer promising to shake things up, Perplexity AI. You might have heard some buzz about it, with whispers of it possibly dethroning the search king, Google. Breaking the mold, AI answers, not links. Let's face it, traditional search engines like Google can feel a bit clunky at times. You type in a question, get bombarded with links, and then have to dig through pages to find the answers. Perplexity takes a different approach. Imagine this. You ask a question, and voila, you get a clear, concise answer in plain English, generated by artificial intelligence. No more link hopping required. Backed by tech giants, built for the future. This innovative idea caught the attention of some seriously big names. We're talking Amazon's Jeff Bezos throwing a cool $76 million at Perplexity, showing major players believe this AI-powered search could be the real deal. And why not? Search is due for a makeover, and AI seems like the key to unlocking a smarter, more intuitive way to find information. So, what makes Perplexity think it can beat Google? They've got some compelling tricks up their sleeve. First, you get more accurate and comprehensive information. Since Perplexity summarizes content from multiple sources, you don't have to click around to verify facts or dig for better answers. Their AI aims to give you the full picture up front. Second, Perplexity is designed to be super easy to use. The chatbot interface lets you ask questions conversationally, using natural language. No more hunting for the right keywords to get good results. Third, you get detailed answers to even really complex questions, not just a list of links that might contain the answer somewhere. Perplexity's AI analyzes the sources and tries to directly answer your question in full. Fourth, all the information comes with citations, so you can see what sites it came from. This helps you check the reliability of the content if needed. Fifth, Perplexity uses state-of-the-art AI models from Anthropic and OpenAI to gather and summarize information from the web. This allows you to find what you need much faster than manually searching. And lastly, they offer a free version to try out the service, so you can experience the benefits firsthand without paying anything. Now, what about disadvantages compared to Google? Well, there are a few. First, the AI-generated answers aren't always 100% accurate or reliable yet. The technology still makes some mistakes as it continues learning. Second, Perplexity struggles more with subjective questions or open-ended queries. It relies on objective facts and data. Third, some users find Perplexity's responses lack natural language flow. The writing can feel robotic at times. And fourth, it can miss nuances or context from questions that a human may intuit. The AI has limits in understanding language subtleties. Looking deeper, we can analyze some specific limitations Perplexity's AI still exhibits. In natural language processing, the platform is sensitive to the test data used, which affects consistency. It also has trouble with subjective questions, lacks conversational flow, and can generate inaccurate answers at times. The AI focuses more on objective facts. Despite these disadvantages, Perplexity AI represents a major leap in using AI to aid search. While Perplexity's innovative, Google isn't exactly sitting idle. They've got their own AI answer feature brewing called SG, but for now, it's kept separate from the main search engine. When they finally merge it with all-powerful Google search, that's when we'll know Perplexity has truly struck a nerve. My 2 cents, impressive, but the game has just begun. I've tested Perplexity, and I gotta say, it's pretty darn impressive. Research and fact-finding just got a whole lot easier. And let's be honest, Google has resources and experience Perplexity can only dream of right now. So, will Perplexity dethrone Google? That's a tough call. Unseating such a giant will be an epic battle. While Perplexity's AI is innovative and has its advantages, Google's dominance and continuous AI development make it the clear favorite. But hey, competition breeds innovation, and who knows what the future holds? Wrapping up and calling for your thoughts. Ultimately, Perplexity is a fascinating glimpse into the future of AI-powered search. It has the potential to revolutionize how we find information, but it's still got some hurdles to overcome. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried Perplexity AI? What did you think? Do you think it can challenge Google's reign? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech adventures, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of AI.